Without them, I wouldn't be the person I am today. Secondly, I would like to thank my friends. They're an insane bunch that have made high school entertaining. They have brought some of the best and most dysfunctional friendships I've ever had. All is fair and nothing more. Shakespeare. There are two people involved with the school I'd love to thank, Miss Katarina Becker and Miss Ruth LeBlanc. I'd like to thank Miss LeBlanc. She kept me in line when no one else could. She was an amazing person and she is missed deeply. I'd like to thank Miss Katarina Becker. Without her pushing me, I would not have made my decision to become more than expected. I appreciate everything she's done. She is strong and a beautiful woman whom I look up to. I'd like to thank my sister Molly. She has been an amazing inspiration. She is my hero, and I hope to someday be as amazing as her. To love and to be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. David.
Mariana Headley Salada. Francis Xavier Trujillo.